Mapping services are an essential tool in today's digital age, providing accurate and up-to-date information about the physical world. One such mapping service is provided by Ram Puri, a renowned company specializing in mapping services. With their expertise and experience, Ram Puri offers a wide range of mapping solutions to cater to the diverse needs of businesses and individuals. Their mapping services include detailed and precise maps that can be used for navigation, urban planning, and various other purposes. One of the key features of Ram Puri's mapping services is their focus on accuracy. They use advanced technologies and techniques to ensure that their maps are as precise as possible. This attention to detail is crucial, especially when it comes to navigation and location-based services. Whether it's finding the quickest route to a destination or locating a specific address, Ram Puri's maps provide accurate and reliable information. In addition to accuracy, Ram Puri's mapping services also offer a high level of customization. They understand that different businesses and individuals have unique requirements when it comes to mapping. Therefore, they provide tailored solutions that meet these specific needs. Whether it's creating custom maps for a specific area or incorporating specific data points into the maps, Ram Puri ensures that their clients' requirements are met. Another notable aspect of Ram Puri's mapping services is their commitment to staying updated with the latest advancements in mapping technology. They constantly strive to improve their services by incorporating new features and functionalities into their maps. This ensures that their clients have access to the most advanced and efficient mapping solutions available in the market. Whether it's for navigation, urban planning, or integration with SCON systems, Ram Puri provides top-notch mapping solutions that meet the diverse needs of their clients. In the current digital era, mapping services are a crucial tool for getting accurate and current information about the real world. Ram Puri, a well-known business that specializes in mapping services, offers one such mapping service. Ram Puri offers a wide range of mapping solutions to meet the various demands of organizations and people thanks to their knowledge and skills. They offer precise and accurate maps that can be used for navigation, urban planning, and a variety of other things. The emphasis on accuracy of Ram Puri's mapping services is one of their primary characteristics. They make use of cutting-edge tools and methods to produce maps that are as accurate as possible. Particularly when it comes to navigation and location-based services, this level of precision is essential. Ram Puri's maps offer precise and trustworthy information, whether you're looking for the fastest path to a location or a specific address. Ram Puri's mapping services provide a great degree of flexibility in addition to accuracy. They are aware that each company and person has various needs when it comes to mapping. As a result, they offer specialized solutions that address these particular needs. Ram Puri makes sure that their clients' needs are addressed, whether it be through the creation of